Tap on the three lines and you will see the option called Expenses. Here you will see all the previous expenses that the school had, like electricity, materials, meals, etc. To add a new expense, you can simply tap on this button. Select the expense category, type the description of your expense, and the amount that has to be paid. You can even write the amount that has already been paid. You can add bill image or any other image document by tapping here. To select date, tap here and choose the date of your expense. And tap on Save. You can now see the added expense in this list. The Statistics feature allows you to analyze expenses using a detailed pie chart. Now tap on the Report option. Select the start date and end date of your report. Now tap on Generate. You have successfully created an expense report. You can share the report as PDF by tapping on this button. Subscribe to our channel to get daily updates about Tifants.